The English have a great hunger for desolate places. They hunger for Arabia. I think you are another of these desert-loving English.
I've been seconded to the Arab Bureau.
Of course I'm the man for the job. What is the job, by the way?
Have you no fear, English?
My fear is my concern.
We need a miracle.
They hope to gain their freedom. I'm going to give it to them.
The man who gives victory in battle is prized beyond every other man.
It's going to be fun.
Do you think he's gone native?
They think he's a kind of prophet.
They do, or he does.
It's one more failure, and you will find yourself alone.
Who are you to know what can be done? Nothing is written.
You're the most extraordinary man I ever met.
You are using up your 9 lives very quickly.
For some men, nothing is written unless they write it.